Welcome to Rise to Success Now, where we explore the endless possibilities of personal growth in the digital age. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's transforming lives, leveraging technology for self-improvement, a comprehensive guide. In our fast-paced world, self-improvement isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. We're kicking off with the first section, embracing cutting-edge tools for personal development. Mobile apps have revolutionized the way we approach self-improvement. From fitness to mindfulness, language learning to habit tracking, there's an app for everyone. Let's explore the vast landscape and integrate these tools seamlessly into our daily lives for a more productive and fulfilling existence. Now let's talk about something truly futuristic, harnessing the power of AI for skill enhancement. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to sci-fi. AI analyzes your preferences, learning style, and performance to deliver customized content aligned with your goals. Dive into the world of AI tutors and personalized learning experiences to accelerate your skills efficiently. Moving on to an immersive experience, the role of virtual reality in personal growth. Virtual reality takes self-improvement to new heights. Imagine practicing real-world scenarios in a simulated environment, building confidence and competence. VR offers unprecedented opportunities for experiential learning as it continues to evolve. Navigating the vast digital landscape, we find online courses and webinars. The internet has democratized education, making knowledge accessible worldwide. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer a vast array of courses, from professional development to hobby-centric learning. Explore, enhance your expertise, and stay ahead of industry trends from the comfort of your home. Staying connected, online communities and networking. Self-improvement thrives in community. Online forums and social media groups connect you with like-minded individuals. Share experiences, seek advice, and build a network that fosters personal growth. The collective wisdom of a supportive community can be a catalyst for your journey. And now, let's delve into the future trends. What's next in self-improvement technology? The landscape of self-improvement tech is ever evolving. Keep an eye on emerging trends like neurofeedback, biohacking, and augmented reality. These innovations promise even more personalized and impactful ways to enhance your mind, body, and skills. Stay curious as the future of self-improvement holds limitless possibilities. Practical tips for integrating tech into your self-improvement journey. As you embark on this tech-driven self-improvement journey, here are some practical tips. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and stay consistent. Use technology as a tool, not a distraction. And most importantly, listen to your needs and adapt your approach accordingly. It's about finding a balance that works for you. The human touch, balancing technology with mindfulness. While technology is a powerful ally, don't forget the importance of mindfulness. Incorporate moments of reflection, meditation, or simply disconnecting from screens. The human touch remains vital in the journey of self-improvement. Balance technology with moments of stillness for a holistic approach to personal growth. Case studies, real stories of transformation through tech. Let's hear from real people who've experienced transformative journeys using technology. From conquering challenges to achieving personal milestones, these case studies highlight the profound impact of leveraging tech for self-improvement. As we conclude our journey through the digital era of self-improvement, remember, it's not just a choice, it's a strategic decision to thrive. Embrace mobile apps, AI, VR, online courses, and communities for a holistic approach to personal development. In the digital landscape, success lies in adaptability and a commitment to continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us on Rise to Success Now. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here's to your journey of personal evolution in the digital era. Until next time, keep thriving.